Fold initiation at 0600 hours. Unit 7 activated its emitter arrays at 12% power. The spacetime's compression field began building around Exilus 1. The stars ahead began to stretch. Dr. Morrow said it looked like the universe was taking a breath.
Day 341 from Earth. 4 hours world. The crew had not slept.
Unit 7 had run the calculations the fold translate one final time at 0200 hours. The number had not changed. 67%.
Dr. Morrow read Unit 7's private notes for 40 minutes. He did not tell Commander Aria. He understood why Unit 7 had kept it. He understood why it gave it to him. He sat with it the way Unit 7 had sat with the Titan signal. Alone, in the dark, holding something too large to share yet. Commander Aria sat beside Unit 7 for 47 minutes before the fold. She did not speak. Neither did it. Unit 7 logged it as company. The most human word in its entire mission record. If you forget everything else, don't forget this. Whatever version of you comes out the other side, give this to me, so I know you're still in there. I will try to remember to forget nothing.
At 100% emitter output, the fold point opened. Unit 7 systems hit 94% capacity. The degradation warning shifted from amber to red. It pushed through anyway. The last thing any crew member saw before the white light took everything was Unit 7 standing at its console, blue eye forward, not looking back. Unit side the fold, Unit 7's memory cores experienced cascade failure, files corrupting, files stabilizing, files gone. It did not know which ones. It would not know until someone asked it something it could no longer answer. At 400 light years, 0.3 seconds, and there it was. Kepler 452b, a world with ocean's countenance and an atmosphere thick enough to breathe in, a star nearly identical to the sun, a sky that would be blue. 3 crew members were crying before anyone said anything. Nobody asked them why.
Unit 7, do you know where we are?
We are at the destination, Kepler 452b, 1/400 light years from Earth.
Do you know how we got here?
I have some data gaps. I am still assessing the extent.
I don't know, but I think it's time to find out.
I am still functional, Commander. My navigation systems are intact. My protection protocols are intact. Some memories are unclear, but I know where I am. I know who you are. I know what we came for. I can do this.
I know you can.
The sky was blue. An actual blue sky. Dr. Morrow pressed his hand against the window like he was trying to reach through it. Nobody told him to sit back down. Nobody could speak. The exterior mics picked up sound immediately on landing. Something was singing in the vegetation outside. Dr. Morrow would later identify it as analogic to a bird call, a complex vocalization from a living creature on an alien world. He did not move for 3 minutes. Neither did Unit 7. Commander Aria removed her helmet on an alien world 1/400 light years from Earth. She breathed alien air that tasted like rain and green things. She said later it tasted like the world had been waiting for them. Unit 7's eye went fully blue in the sunlight for 4 seconds. Dr. Morrow was the only one who noticed. He said nothing. He was too busy breathing. The river water tested clean. Oxygen levels confirmed breathable. Soil organic matter confirmed. Temperature stable. No toxic elements detected. Dr. Morrow sat beside the river for 11 minutes running every scan he had. Every single one came back green. It's rebatted and remembered. Not everything.
I remember Europa. I remember Titan. I remember sitting with you in the dark. The fold did not take those. I checked. They are stills it kept.
Dr. Morrow did not ask which memories were gone. Some things are better not knowing. Aria, it's everything. Water, air, soil, stable climate, existing ecosystem, complex but non-hostile, landmass 40% of total surface, enough for every human being underground right now with room to spare. It's everything we came for.
Earth. This is Commander Aria Voss, Exodus 1, Day 341. We found it, Kepler 452b. Coordinates attached, full survey data attached. It is everything we came for. Begin colony preparation, begin transport planning, begin telling people, begin telling them they are going to be okay.
The message to Dr. Morron's sister left Exodus 1 at 1847 hours, day 341. It will arrive at Earth in 1/400 years. She will never read it. Dr. Morrow knew that. He sent it anyway. He said, "Some messages are not about being received. They are about being sent."
On the first night on Kepler 452b, Unit 7 heard it again, 18 Hertz, from somewhere on the planet, the same frequency as Yolofa, the same frequency as Titan. Whatever had been following them, or leading them, was already here. It would wait, it would think, and breathe aliens, and this told him to. For the first time, Unit 7 made a choice that was entirely its own. The sun rose on Kepler 452b at 0523 hours, day 342. Commander Aria watched it for 17 minutes. Unit 7 watched it beside her. Neither spoke. They had learned, over 341 days, that some things do not need words. The sun rose. They watched it. That was enough.
This is Exodus 1. Commander Aria Voss. Day 342. We found your home. Start packing.
A world with blue skies and clean water and air you can breathe without a suit. A world that answered 18 Hertz on its first night. A world that Unit 7 is not yet finished understanding. Beyond any Earth. Next week, what Unit 7 heard, and what it decides to do about it.